Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Python, that is Python version 3.12.4 on Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how we can easily run a simple Hello World Python program on our Python idle. So to watch the video till the end, I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you will be learning a lot of new things. And if you still face any issues in middle, you can always comment in your comment sections. I will try my best to help you. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and also please to share with your friends. So now to install Python, you need to first simply go to favorite browser and then you need to search over here Python download and hit enter. And that's going to show you this www.python.org as a first search result. So you need to go to this download Python and that's going to redirect to the official site of Python. So this link I'm going to provide right in our description. So once you are here, you'll be able to see this latest version of Python, that is Python version 3.12.4 is available to download, and we are downloading it for Windows. So if you are using some other operating system like Linux or Mac OS or all these different operating system, then you should be switching to all these different links and then you need to download the exe. For Windows, you need to just simply click on this download button and it's going to start downloading our Python. You can see it is rightly started. I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory and here you can see that our latest version of Python 3.12.4 is already been downloaded over here. So to install, just simply double click on that exe and that will show you this installation wizard of our Python. So here you need to check this add python.exe to path, and also you need to check these user admin privileges when installing py.exe, and after that you need to click on custom installation. So here all options are rightly selected, just simply click on next. Under advanced options, you need to select this install Python 3.12 for all users, and all other things you can keep it default and click on install. So that's going to ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes, and there you go. You can see that our installation is rightly began. So it will take a couple of minutes, so let's wait for a couple of minutes and then I'm going to again back to this video. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our Python setup was successful, so you can just simply click on close. You can also minimize your download directory, and now if you again go to search and this time just simply type cmd to open our command prompt, and on our command prompt if you just simply type something like python space dash dash version and hit enter, you can see that our latest version of Python is successfully installed on our system. And if you just simply type Python, so that's going to open our Python shell over here. So here also you can write something like print hello and in the bracket, and if you hit enter you can see the output is properly coming on our console. So in this way you can start writing your Python code on our Python console. Apart from that, I am going to also talk about Python idle. So go to search and type idle, so that will show you this idle. Open that idle and you can see our latest version of Python idle 3.12.4 is successfully opened. So here also you can write the same thing whatever you have done on that console. So if you write something like print hello and hit enter, you can see that output is properly coming on our console. You can go to file, click on new file, and you can create a simple program, something like a equal to 10, b equal to 5, and let's say you want to print summation of these two number, that is a plus b. So output should be coming 15, right? So a is 10, b is 5, so 10 plus 5 15. So that output is our desired output, right? So first go to file and click on save as, and let's save our program on our desktop by naming the file as sum.py and click on save. So our file is rightly saved. So now if we go to run and click on run module, you can see the output 15 is properly coming on our console, that is 10 plus 5 15 is properly coming on our console. So in this way you can easily start writing your Python code on our Python idle, and I highly recommend you to install latest version of PyCharm. So for that also I have made a detailed video, so you can follow that video and you can install PyCharm. And I have also started Geeky Syntax channel, so here I am posting lot of coding related videos, so please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel as well. And if you are interested, you can also learn more about WordPress, WooCommerce, all that. So all the detailed videos you'll get on our channel playlist. So recently I have made this e-commerce website, so that detailed video, about 55 minutes video you'll get, and lot of other website related videos you'll get on our playlist. So do follow my different playlist, and also if you're interested, you can also subscribe at Geeky Script blogging channel. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.